Asipokuja sawa.
Yes, hello guys, and welcome to our video. So today we want to varnish some door frames. Usually we do furnitures, but one of our clients insisted that if we can do doors. So the first thing which we usually do is to mix this. This is called sanding sealer with thinner, and then the mix is usually done inside there. So that is usually done after the doors have been sanded and after being heavily sanded with the angle grinder or angle grinder. Then after the angle grinder, we use the sandpaper. So if you can check here, we've already applied sanding sealer